My name is Christopher Bierley, and I work for the Catholic Cemeteries Association. Today we are taking a course over welding, and we're learning different types of welds, spot welds, stitch welding, using silicon bronze, welding prep, the importance of it. It has definitely helped me improve skills, helped me expand my horizons. It's taught me a whole new area of automotive that I now can go into and do where normally didn't have access to. I know I'll be able to. I have the confidence, and I know that once I'm handed that job, I'll be able to take that job from start to finish and see it through to the end. My instructors are awesome. I enjoy my time here. I enjoy the curriculum. They're very thorough, and the courses are well paced. Thank you. And I'm going to look forward to doing more at work and being able to learn more as I go.